What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I actually want to do a little restoration slash temporary fix on the Honda S2000. If many of you guys have a Honda S2000, you know the little A-pillar windshield trim is vinyl wrap black. It fades over time and it turns to like satin to matte black, and it's really dirty, and the only way to get that back to being shiny is to polish it out. Most cases people just rip it off, and underneath actually is the original paint of the car. Now personally I like the black trim. I don't like the trim to match the rest of the car. I think the car needs the black to break away some of the accent and trim on the car itself, because the car itself is a big body car in a whole perspective. So even though the car is small, but there's a lot of paint on it, and I wanted to restore this. I tried polishing and compounding out, but I think it's just too much work. I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it for the time being. I'm actually out of gloss black, but I found a little bit of Vivid's gloss black here, and I know Vivid gloss black, if installed properly, gives it the best and blackest shine in all the vinyl wraps I ever used. So the only downfall with that is scratches very easily. So I'm gonna try my best to do the vinyl wrap without scratching it, but let me show you how the trim looks right now. You can see it's really faded. You can see here they did one piece on top and then they overlapped it and did a second piece all the way down, and it actually goes right there. So you know, down here is pretty shiny, but up here it's all faded, as you can see. So I cleaned it out with alcohol with the insides behind the rubber trim and everything like that. I just masked it off, because once I vinyl wrap this, I'm gonna have to cut about a 1/4 inch on both sides of the masking tape, and that's the reason why it's there, so I can see where to cut. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and just gently tuck it underneath, post heat, and call it good. The reason why I want to wrap it is on my Mugen top, it's gloss black. It's very shiny, very beautiful. My tint is really dark, and I want this to match. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this gloss black I have from Vivid here. As you can see, it's been in the garage for quite some time. It's all rolled up. So I'm gonna reuse this and repurpose it and try to make this look brand new again. So I'm gonna put you guys on tripod and let's knock this out. Alright, so my battery actually died on the camera, but here we go. This is the finished product, as you can see. Back to being very glossy black. I made sure I wrapped all the way down, so you know, that's how the factory did it, so I copied that. But it's looking really good. Very happy with it. So this is gonna end today's video. It's a very quick project you can do at home. Just take your time. If you're not experienced with vinyl wrapping, take your time, mask off everything, be very careful. But this was very easy for me because I have a lot of experience doing it, and it does refresh the car quite a bit because it makes it shiny. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.